Welcome to Hermetically Speaking. As you enter this space, allow your breath to soften, your mind to quiet, and your energy to align. This moment is a gateway. What you receive here is encoded, intentional, and meant for your evolution. Let the transmission begin. Welcome, love. You have just traveled through the storm. You have explored the edges of chaos, the residue of programming, and the sacred potential of stillness. This moment right now is your opportunity to let the nervous system rest, to let your soul exhale, and to let your body begin to reorient to peace. So let's begin. Find a comfortable position. Allow your body to be fully supported. Whether seated or lying down. And as you settle, take a deep, gentle breath in through the nose and release slowly through the mouth. Again, inhale and exhale. Feel the weight of your body pressing into the earth. Feel how the earth holds you without judgment, without effort. Let your spine lengthen. Let your shoulders melt. Let your jaw unclench. With each breath, allow your body to relax even more deeply. And in this silence, we will proclaim, I am safe in stillness. I am grounded in who I am becoming. I am safe in stillness. I am grounded in who I am becoming. I am safe in stillness. I am grounded in who I am becoming. Now, gently bring your awareness to the breath, to the gentle rhythm of air moving in and out of your body. This is your clarity, your oxygen, your sacred messenger. Each breath clears the fog. Each breath brings space between thoughts. Each breath reminds you I do not have to chase or fix or control right now. Let the breath be light, soft, kind, and we begin to whisper to ourselves, my breath is enough. I am enough. My breath is enough. I am enough. My breath is enough. I am enough. Now, imagine a small flame glowing in the center of your chest. This fire is not wild, not chaotic. It's sacred. It burns with purpose. Not pain. With each breath, feel this flame gently growing, not to consume you, but to warm you from within. This fire is the alchemy that transmutes fear into freedom, pain into wisdom. And so now we will silently affirm, my fire transforms. My fire empowers. My fire is mine to direct. My fire transforms. My fire empowers. My fire is mine to direct. My fire transforms. My fire empowers. My fire is mine to direct. Now, feel the presence of water surrounding you, perhaps as a gentle stream flowing around you, or the sensation of soft rain cleansing your field. Let it soothe your mind. Let it soften the sharp edges. Whatever doesn't resist, it moves. It feels. It integrates. Let your emotions be like this water, not problems to solve, but waves to ride. And in our silent whisper, we say, I surrender to the flow. I allow what needs to move through me to move. I surrender to the flow. I allow what needs to move through me to move. I surrender to the flow. I allow what needs to move through me to move. And now, bring your attention back to the earth, back to your body. Notice how the elements have supported you, how your breath is calmer, your thoughts softer, your energy clearer. And now, gently come into this proclamation of reprogramming with me. And silently in your mind's eye, repeat after me. I choose grace over guilt. I choose peace even when it feels unfamiliar. I am allowed to take my time. I trust who I am becoming. I choose grace over guilt. I choose peace even when it feels unfamiliar. I am allowed to take my time. I trust who I am becoming. I choose grace over guilt. I choose peace even when it feels unfamiliar. I am allowed to take my time. I trust who I am becoming. Let those words soak into your nervous system. Let them become your new language. Let them plant roots in your earth. Begin to bring your awareness back to the space around you. Wiggle your fingers and toes gently. Take one more deep breath in and a full breath out. And when you are ready, open your eyes gently, or remain here in stillness for as long as you need. You are safe. You are healing. You are right where you are supposed to be. You are becoming. Thank you for being here, love. Thank you for choosing this moment. May this balance carry you through your next step with grace, curiosity, and truth. Your activation is complete. Trust what continues to unfold. Carry the codes you've received into your breath, your being, and your becoming. If this served your healing, please like and subscribe. And share it with someone whose soul may be quietly asking for a sign, a shift, a softening. May this ripple of remembrance reach all who are ready. Until next time, may your path be lit by inner truth and your steps guided by Source. This is Hermetically Speaking. Namaste and many blessings on your way.